Hi, welcome back to my channel, Techie Krish or JJ Agra. So, in my Google Notebook LM series, today I am going to provide another source of study, that is Google Slides or PowerPoint. Means, in just I'm going to provide a presentation to Google Notebook LM, and this will Notebook LM will summarize the entire presentation, and it will provide you the summary. And after that, I'll also create the brief note of Python dictionary. So let's move to our presentation. So see here, this is my Chrome browser, and in this Chrome browser I'll write notebook.google.com. One thing I would like to tell you, that you will have to log into the Google Notebook LM uh, with your Google ID. Only then you'll be able to use Google Notebook LM. So once the Google Notebook LM is loaded, so this interface appears on your screen, and this is the first statement. It shows this is welcome message, that is welcome to Notebook LM. And here there are so many tiles which are showing these Notebook LM content we have created through. And the first button is here, which shows create new. So if you click this button, it will take you to where you can upload your material. So you are here, and it is asking for the source. So if you want to upload the PowerPoint presentation, then you can upload from here, upload from computer. And if you have the presentation in Google Slides, then you can easily upload it from here itself. So here Google Slides is also there. This is a button, or this is Google Docs link. So if you click on Google Docs, so it'll take you to the Google Drive, where you can find your search your presentation like this. So this is in my Google Drive, and in this Google Drive I am picking dictionaries in Python, the city material. So clicking this, and as soon as you add this source to Google Notebook LM, so initially the title of this notebook is untitled, and you will have to give a prominent name to this notebook. Otherwise, whatever source you upload, this takes the title from the first line of the material you upload. So see here, dictionary. So this is Python dictionaries, code concept and methods. It has already taken, automatically taken this name. So, and this is, I think, the prominent name. So I don't have to give the name, but this depends on you, that if you want to give, or if you want to change it, you can change it. Otherwise, it will take the name automatically from the content you have provided. So it has summarized the content and showing the complete summary of the presentation I shared. And next time, in the next pan, I am going to create the brief also. So to create the brief talk, so it will create the brief talk of the dictionaries in Python material. And meanwhile, it has created the pre-doc of Python dictionaries. And after summarizing this, I want to create some short answer questions. So I am going to create 10 short answer questions through this notebook LM, and later I'll share it with my students so they can practice on the Python dictionaries core concept. So let's do it. So I'm writing. Okay, short answer questions on Python dictionary with the answer keys. And so this is the prompt. As soon as I say go, so it will start generating the questions along with the short answers. So these are the questions it has created along with the short answers. So if you want to share these questions with the students, you can share only questions and keep the answers with you, and later you can match these answers with answers of the students with this which you have done through Google Notebook LM. So you can compare those answers of the students with the answers created by Google Notebook LM and see the depth of your students. Like it and copy it. After copying this, I'm opening the Google Docs and creating a new document. Plus, so it will create a new document, then give the name to this document. So I have given short answer questions in Python dictionaries. And paste those questions and answers here in this document. And later you can share both questions as well as the answers with the students, or if you want to share only questions so that you want to judge the knowledge of the students about the dictionary, so you can keep the answers with you and share the questions with the students, and later you can match the answers given by the students with the questions created by Notebook LM on Python dictionaries. So this is how Google Notebook LM summarizes the presentation and gives the summary of the presentation, whichever presentation you share with Notebook LM. And the sort of questions you want to create, you'll be able to create any kind of questions like MCQs, true or false, or short answer questions, or long answer questions. It depends on you, or depends on the teacher or the creator. And finally, you can give it to or share it with your students only questions to check the knowledge of the students, or the both to educate them that these questions are expected questions and their uh, answers, relevant answers. So hope you like it, and if you like it, kindly share and subscribe and press the bell icon and wait for more.